In our world, technology evolves at breakneck speed, especially AI, and NVIDIA stands as the vanguard of innovation. With their latest creation, the NVIDIA DGX GH-200 AI supercomputer, they've not only shattered records, but have redefined the very essence of computing. This is not just a leap, it's a quantum leap into the future. As we journey through the convergence of AI and the digital realm, we'll witness how NVIDIA's revolutionary technology isn't just changing the game, it's rewriting the rules entirely. The NVIDIA DGX GH-200 is the most powerful AI in the world at the moment. 10 times faster than current supercomputers and capable of doing over 1,000,000 trillion operations per second with 144 terabytes of shared memory and 1 exaflop of performance. Powered by 256 NVIDIA Grace and Hopper CPUs and GPUs, the DGX GH-200 is a superchip, the size of your palm.
256 Grace Hoppers for deep learning is 1 exaflop transformer engine, and it gives us 144 terabytes of memory that every GPU can see. This is not 144 terabytes distributed. This is 144 terabytes connected. Why don't we take a look at what it really looks like? Play, please.
But how does this supercomputer revolutionize gaming, you might wonder? To understand the significance of NVIDIA's achievement, let's rewind the clock a bit. Gaming, once defined by simple graphics and basic animations, has undergone a dramatic transformation over the years. Computer-aided design, CAD, allowed for the creation of visually impressive games, where iconic characters like Mario came to life. Then came ray tracing, the herald of breathtaking realism in graphics, allowing users to create real-life images in a matter of hours by manipulating light and shadows. Ray tracing allowed developers to create immersive graphics. But now, AI has taken the reins, and NVIDIA's leading the charge. It's not just about better graphics, it's about a dynamic immersion. We are now entering a new dawn of immersive gameplay, where the gaming experience is dynamically rendered around your every move, thought, and decision, creating a personalized gaming experience like never before. Even non-playable characters, NPCs, adapt to your emotions and interactions, ensuring a unique adventure every time you play.
We are thrilled to showcase an immersive and dynamic interaction between a player Kai and a non-playable character named Jin. This captivating ramen shop scene was created by NVIDIA using the latest RTX rendering technologies. NVIDIA collaborated with Convey, an NVIDIA Inception partner, to showcase how developers will soon be able to use NVIDIA Riva, Nemo, and Audio to Face for AI-powered speech, conversation, and animation. These models were integrated into the Convey Services platform and fed into Unreal Engine 5 and MetaHuman to bring Jin to life.
So, what's the catch? AI-driven gaming demands colossal computational power beyond standard CPU's capabilities. That's where NVIDIA comes in. Using its Avatar Cloud Engine, ACE for games, and the new DGX GH-200, these computations can happen in the cloud in real time, opening up a world of possibilities. Realistic conversations and emotional responses from NPCs are no longer a fantasy. A classic example of this is a game called Kairos that NVIDIA and Con.ai launched, where you can create interactive stories in your own fantasy realm.
Hey Jen, how are you?
Unfortunately, not so good.
How come?
I am worried about the crime around here. It's gotten bad lately. My ramen shop got caught in the crossfire.
Can I help?
If you want to do something about this, I have heard rumors that the powerful crime lord Kuman Aoki is causing all sorts of chaos in the city. He may be the root of this violence.
I'll talk to him. Where can I find him?
I have heard he hangs out in the underground fight clubs on the city's east side. Try there.
Okay, I'll go.
Be careful, Kai.
Even Half-Life Alyx, a first-person VR shooter, generates dynamic audio in real time based on your actions. But the impact of the DGX GH-200 extends beyond gaming, reaching into realms like autonomous vehicles, video chat, and music. So what does the future hold? This new generation of AI supercomputing is going to revolutionize countless industries, including healthcare, autonomous driving, content creation, marketing, and much more. Let's look at a tiny glimpse of this exciting future. In a first, NVIDIA recently partnered with Mercedes-Benz to create autonomous driving systems that will make our journey safer, faster, and a whole lot better. And that's not all. NVIDIA has reached a point in its generative AI capabilities where it can generate entire virtual worlds from text in the blink of an eye. Ask it something like, hey, can you create a lush tropical paradise? And it will bring that virtual paradise to life.
Generative AI is transforming how visual content is created. But to realize its full potential, enterprises need massive amounts of copyright-cleared data, AI experts, and an AI supercomputer. NVIDIA Picasso is a cloud service for building and deploying generative AI-powered image, video, and 3D applications.
And this extends to music as well. With technology already available to create music from text prompts, we are going to see many more independent composers, singers, and content creators generate a ton of audio using AI. The next frontier in entertainment is going to be virtual worlds created just for you. And NVIDIA is leading the effort at the forefront. And last but not least, NVIDIA is all set to change the video calling industry. With tools like Maxine 3D, we can now generate lifelike avatars that mirror your face, voice, and expressions. Gone are the days of broken communication, language barriers, and digital dissonance. With NVIDIA, communicating across borders is going to be simple, intuitive, and humane. The golden age of generative AI. It is certain we've entered the golden age of generative AI, and NVIDIA leads the race with the DGX GH-200. This supercomputer doesn't just change the game, it reshapes our entire digital world. From gaming to healthcare, from virtual realms to real-time collaborations, the possibilities are boundless. NVIDIA's DGX GH-200 represents more than just technological innovation. It signifies a quantum leap forward. As we stand on the precipice of a new era where AI and humanity walk hand in hand, NVIDIA's creation has redefined the rules. The future, once the stuff of science fiction, is now a tangible reality, and it's all thanks to the unrelenting spirit of innovation embodied by NVIDIA. The downside, costs, and challenges. But as with any leap forward, challenges abound. NVIDIA's AI factory, responsible for churning out these superchips and AI innovations, is a massive cost center, consuming billions of dollars annually. However, with stock prices reaching all-time highs, it's clear that generative AI is the future, and NVIDIA's supercomputer is steering us toward it.